Discover how thousands of YouTubers are making a full-time income. Go to beatoolboss.com or click the link in the description. Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video I'm going to share with you the #1 reason why most people fail when it comes to network marketing. So if you're not familiar with what network marketing is, it's basically where you get involved with the company, you join a company, right? A company usually has some sort of product or service that they promote, mainly products, right? And your job is to obviously sell the products. But in most cases, you're really going to get your money by building a team of people underneath you that are selling the same product and mostly using that product, whatever it is, and while at the same time building teams underneath them. So it's kind of like that chain reaction type vibe where, you know, you got Susie up here, Susie get Mary, right, to join the team to sell stuff, and then Mary get Tom, Tom gets Jack, and Jack, it just goes on and on. So you build this team. So ultimately the top person is going to get a little cut out of everybody underneath them, and so on and so on and so on. Now, a lot of times network marketing gets a bad reputation. Why? Because a lot of network companies, their products are trash. Their products are actually trash, and they focus only on, you need to build a team. You need to build a team. You got to build a team, right? And people like, okay, yeah, I'll build a team. But, you know, you want your team to be using the products, and you want the team members to feel comfortable promoting the products, right? So when the products is trash, eventually word gonna get out like, yo, this product is trash. Like, I'm not buying this. I'm not joining your team. So that's what happens a lot of times. So network marketing has got a bad rep in the past, but I've talked about it before. Are there good network marketing opportunities out there? In my opinion, there actually are, right? There actually are. But you have to do your research and find the ones that fit you, fit your goals, fit your personality, and you like their program. All right, because in my opinion, a lot of time, well, let me take that back. A good network marketing opportunity, in my opinion, is one that you can still make money from the company even if you don't build a team. That is my, you know, if you could do that, then I say give it a shot, right? But if it's a company where you only make money, basically, like if you get a 3% commission on selling a product and you're expected to get 1,000 people underneath you, that's whack. I would stay away from that. But if you are involved with a company where you can make a decent amount on commissions, just because they're not going to be crazy, because remember, you got to cut up the commissions to give people underneath you. But your commission need to be halfway decent, where, for example, if you're a good salesperson, you can sell this product, right? But you're not really great at recruiting team members, right? You should still be able to create a decent income from just the product, right? So that's what I look for in a network marketing company. And if you can find that, give it a shot. Also, keeping in mind though, you're going to be tempted and you're going to probably want to be able to still recruit a team underneath you, right? Because if you could do that, you're going to really maximize your profits from the network marketing opportunity. So I feel like the main reason why people fail when it comes to network marketing is the fact that they don't really know what they're getting into, right? And I've seen it time and time again because people don't understand like how to look into the commission structures for these network marketing companies. They don't really understand the products that they're promoting. They don't understand what kind of commissions do they get on the product sales versus how much do you get from each person that you recruit. How much do you get from the people that's underneath the people you recruit? How much do you get? So I think a lot of people just jump in because whoever recruiting them did a decent job, but they just hyped up the opportunity, and then 3 months later, the recruit's like, I have no idea what I'm doing. I only made $4. What's this about, right? And then they're gone. So anyone who's thinking about getting into network marketing, if you're watching this and you new, do your research before you sign up, before you invest any sort of amount of money or time. You want to really get an idea, like I said, before you join. How much do you get per sale of the product, right? How many products are there? How many people do I need to recruit that stay active for me to make this amount of money? You should know all of these things before you join a company, right? Or if you're already involved with the company, before you move forward, take some time. It only take you a few hours to really dig deep into their pay scale, all that good stuff, right? You need to know this stuff because that's what, in my experience, a lot of people quit because they didn't know what they was getting into, right? They really didn't. They didn't know all the ins and outs, and that's what I highly suggest you do before you get going into network marketing. All right, so you got any comments or questions, leave them below. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you found any sort of quality in it. All right, be sure to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.